Hi guys, we're going to take a look today at the Oukitel Y1000. This is a fairly new product released November 2019 from Oukitel, a budget device around £60 to £90 off their official website. The links are in the description below. This is a rugged and waterproof smartphone. It's got 2 gigs of RAM and 32 gigabytes of storage, so it's not going to whet the appetite of the hardcore smartphone users. But this is aimed, obviously, at the budget range. It is waterproof and it is a rugged device. Battery 3600 milliamps. It's got a GPS as well. 6-inch HD plus display, Android 9, and octa-core processor, MTK 6580. Although on the website it does say quad-core, so there's a bit of confusion there. On the website, yeah, it does say quad-core, but on the box it says octa-core. Anyway, let's open it up and have a look. Let's have a look. Let's pop this out. Manuals. USB Type-C cable. 2-pin plug. And a SIM tray ejector tool. Okay, let's have a look. So it feels quite chunky. There we go. So again, octa-core processor it says on there. 5 megapixel, 8 megapixel camera, fingerprint sensor, Android 9, 19:9 aspect ratio, Face ID as well. It comes in a case. It wraps right around there. Oh, that's really nice. It's beautiful, that is. I love that texture. It's like a case. It's like there's 2 cases on it, although it's not a case. Take that off. Wow. It does look like there's like that's a case. The navy blue one. Okay, so we have Type-C connector at the bottom with a microphone. And at the side here we have a nice little setup there. A power button, a volume rocker. We have a textured side here as well. It's quite tactile. At the top we have a flap. I'm guessing that's a 3.5mm socket. It certainly is. And then we have another flap for your SIM card. Okay, yeah. And there you can just see that. You just need a SIM tray tool just to eject that tray out. That's good. And again, on the other side, textured side as well. So that's a nice design. I really like that, and it feels really smooth. It's like a rubber texture on there, so I'm sure that's gonna protect it from knocks and bounces. So yeah, 2 rear cameras, flashlight, fingerprint sensor. Turn it on. Thinnest tri-proof smartphone. So it's 11.2 millimeters thick and 212 grams. I've used rugged smartphones in the past, and this does feel the lightest out of the lot. They are normally quite heavy. Okay, it's time for me to set up. 6-inch HD plus display, IPS panel. The viewing angles look pretty decent. There's quite a bit of chin at the bottom there and fairly thick bezels on the left and the right. And we have the water droplet display housing the front-facing camera. It's only 720p, but the display looks pretty decent. So let's show you the software. This is the main screen. Swipe to the left. It has an outdoor toolbox. Magnifier. That's just going to be activating the camera, really. Yeah, and you can zoom in on stuff. Flashlight. Pick hanging. What is that? All right, okay. So it gives you some vertical lines. That helps you hang up pictures. An alarm. A plumb bob. What the hell is a plumb bob? Okay, don't know what that is. But yeah, so you get a toolbox. Outdoor toolbox. And I did install device info because I wanted to find out if it is quad or octa-core. So we can see it's 720p display. You can see there's 2 GB of RAM. Go over to the SoC. So in here we have 4 cores. So it is a quad-core smartphone, not an octa-core. For some reason on the box it says octa-core. So cleared that up. The Mali 400 GPU. What else we got here? Pixel density 320 and other information. So it's a quad core. We've solved that problem. Feels very comfortable in the hand. I do like that rubbery gripping material that they have on here. It does feel very solid. Definitely very solid. So next we want to try out the cameras. Okay, so in photo mode on here, set at 8 megapixel 4:3 aspect ratio. And keep it like that. Let's take a shot. Okay, quality is pretty decent there. Does have a portrait mode. Let's have a look at this. Let's go. The quality is good, but I don't see any portrait bokeh mode effect there. Doesn't seem to be any settings on here to adjust the bokeh effect either. I think this is only going to detect face. So it's just detected my face on my video I have playing in the background. You can see that. And then it went all bokeh effect mad. So I think it's just looking for a face. Let me swing it around to my face. Yes, that's what it's looking for. So it's looking for a face, basically, or a head. So, and it has applied the bokeh effect there. To see that's not done too bad a job. Let's switch to video mode. And 640 by 480 at the moment, VGA quality. I can shoot up to 720p. Okay.
Okay, so we're on the Oukitel Y1000. This is a budget rugged smartphone at around 70 to 90 pounds, and that phone's just died. Just testing the video quality, audio quality and sound quality. Let me know what you guys think. Not that stable on here, but you're not going to get tremendous performance on such a budget device. But hopefully you want it to be acceptable. So let me know what you guys think of that. Thank you.
And let's take a front-facing photo, normal front-facing photo. Yeah, that's not too bad. A little bit soft, but the colour's pretty decent. Detail's not bad. Now let's try portrait mode, actual portrait mode. See, it's just jumped onto my face, it did then for a sec. Let's go. So this is a front-facing camera. Okay, quality's not bad. Colour accuracy is really good. I like the colour accuracy. Edge detection is a little bit off, but overall not too bad. Let's try the front-facing video. What we set out here. Well, there's no settings for quality. It's just standard. I imagine it's 720p. Here we go.
Front-facing video on the Oukitel Y1000. So the budget rugged smartphone. Faces right in front of the artificial light. A bit high exposure there. Let me know what you guys think in terms of sound quality and video quality on the Y1000.
Okay, so that was a quick look at the Y1000's camera. I want to jump into YouTube and play a video and a bit of music. Okay, so we have some footage here. Now, it's only a 720p device, so the playback is only in 720p. I don't think there's no audio on this video either. No, but the quality looks nice. That's quite a stunning shot, that is. I don't know what. There we go. We can turn the brightness up a touch. There we go. That's nice. That is nice. I prefer maybe narrower bezels on the display, but other than that, you're not getting a bad display for a budget phone. The speaker on the Y1000 is on the back. It's there. Okay, now you do get a nice volume in there, but the sound is quite tinny. It does lack that bit of bass and warmth in this loudspeaker. So that was a quick look at the Oukitel Y1000, a budget device aimed for maybe active people, sports people, and obviously try to keep that look and not gone too rugged, because some of the rugged smartphones do look really chunky and big, where they've slimlined this, made it lighter, but have still kept that ruggedness with that lovely little rubber texture material around the actual phone. It's nice. So if you have any questions or comments, then pop them down below. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. I'll see you very soon. Bye bye.